multiply complex number. So when you have the binomial form, the two terms multiply with the other two terms, and one number has the imaginary number. So how do we process that? So step 1, rewrite the negative square root number into the imaginary number. So negative 2 stay the same, plus root 16 and the root negative 1. Multiply with the 4 minus square root negative 9. So I'm going to rewrite the root negative 9 into the root 9 multiply with the root negative 1. Bring here. Now the negative 2 stay the same. Square root 16 is the 4, and the root negative 1 is I. Multiply with the 4 minus 3I. Now we use a FOIL. The first 2, we have the negative 2 times number positive 4, so we get a negative 8. Outside 2, we have negative 2 multiplied with negative 3i, it turns to the positive 6i. The inside 2, we will have the 4i multiplied with the 4, so it turns to a positive 16i. The last 2, we will have a positive 4i multiplied with a negative 3i, so it's a negative 12i squared. I squared is negative 1. So now we rewrite the equation. Combine these two, we get a positive 22i. Negative 12 multiplied with a negative 1, it turns to a positive 12. Now we combine the real number part, it turns to a number 4 plus 22i. And you stop it here. This would be the complex form of the solution. A plus bi form. Complex conjugate. The complex number a plus bi and a minus bi, we call it a conjugate of each other. In other words, when you have the solution come with the I, it's a positive I, that means negative I must be a solution. When you have one solution is 2i, that means negative 2i must be a solution as well. When you have one solution is 2 plus 5i, that means 2 minus 5i must be a solution. When you have negative half plus 4i, that means negative half minus 4i is another solution. They come with the pair. Always, always. When you have solution is 13i, that means negative 13i must be a solution. So keep in mind, the sign will maintain opposite sign, which is one is a positive, the other one is a negative, in front of the I term, not the real number part. The real number part stay the same. Nothing changed here, right? Negative half, negative half. The only sign change is in front of the imaginary part. So keep in mind, conjugate. Conjugate has two pair. The pair has two solution. Okay, it's a pair of two. Pair of two solution. And the sign change only go with the imaginary number part in front of the imaginary number. So here you just need to know when you have the complex solution, it must come with a conjugate. So if you solve for your question and by the end you get a solution, one solution is I, that means negative I must be a solution of your question. So this is section 1.3. Now you can move on to work on your Weber sign.